I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Clearing skies allow for most lows tonight to dip to near zero and the single digits below zero. Wind chills by tomorrow morning are as low as 10 below to 20 below. Highs tomorrow stay in the 20s in the central and east, while areas farther west are in the 30s to the low 40s. Additional light snow is possible tomorrow through tomorrow evening with the disturbance tracking to the southeast. Accumulations once again expected to be an inch or less. A ridge of high pressure and a warm front quickly boost our highs mostly to the 40s to the low 50s Sunday into Wednesday. Sunday and Monday, highs over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas are in the 50s to the low 60s. A weak disturbance may trigger a little rain or snow for Tuesday night. Highs warm into the mid-50s to the low 60s on Thursday. Long-term forecast keeping those mild temperatures going. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely Wednesday through February 12th for Nebraska, Kansas, and all of the central and western U.S. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation indicated to be below normal the middle to late part of next week before chances increase for normal precipitation next weekend into February 12th. Key weather factors influencing the markets include cold air ending for a short time in the U.S. and continuing dryness in Argentina. In the Corn Belt, cold air remains deeply entrenched. Temperatures near 20 below were observed early today in parts of eastern North Dakota and northern Minnesota, while sub-zero readings as far south as northern Missouri and central sections of Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. This weekend, a rapidly developing storm produces disruptive accumulations of wind-driven snow in the Carolinas and parts of nearby states, as well as the immediate Atlantic coast as far north as New England. In the storm's wake, significant freezes may occur Sunday through Tuesday morning as far south as southern Florida, with some locations enduring their lowest temperatures since at least January of 2010. Florida crops potentially affected include citrus, strawberries, and winter vegetables. Frigid weather across the eastern half of the U.S. slowly eases early next week. Significant precipitation is scarce the next 5 days. However, light weekend snow should blanket the north central U.S. Tuesday, light rain develops in the deep south, while a wintry mix spreads from the mid-south into the lower Midwest. Temperatures trend mostly warmer next week, but areas across the south and east likely to take longer to warm up because of the recent heavy snow. Late next week or weekend, colder air could be pulled south into the U.S., especially towards the east. Mississippi River water levels are being helped by recent heavy precipitation, but extreme cold may lead to issues with ice jams on nearby rivers. The southern half of Argentina, that's very dry with declining crop conditions, expects limited to no rain this weekend. Beneficial rainfall is possible in southern Argentina later next week, but it's still highly uncertain. South central Brazil soil moisture remains low for the upcoming second crop corn, which is planted immediately after soybeans are harvested the next few weeks. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.